Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your cash flow with Chime, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect your cash flow with Chime, start by downloading the Chime app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and select Get Started to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your email address and create a secure password. Verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Once verified, return to the Chime app and log in using your new credentials. You will be prompted to enter your personal information, including your name, date of birth, and social security number. Complete the identity verification process by providing any additional information required. Next, link your existing bank account by selecting Link Account in the app menu. You will need to enter your bank's routing number and your account number. If you aren't sure where to find this information, you can find it on a check or by logging into your bank's online portal. Once entered, Chime will initiate the verification process. You may be asked to verify small transactions that Chime makes to your external bank account. Check your external bank account for these transactions and enter the amounts in the Chime app as prompted. After verification, your account will be linked successfully. To set up direct deposit, navigate to the Move Money section in the app. Select Direct Deposit and follow the instructions to set it up with your employer. You will receive an account and routing number to provide to your employer. Once your employer has this information, your paycheck will be automatically deposited into your Chime account. To monitor your cash flow, check the app regularly for updates on your spending and savings. You can categorize your transactions to better understand your cash flow. Consider setting up automatic savings to help manage your finances more effectively. Review your cash flow monthly to track your progress and make adjustments as needed. That's it. You're now connected and ready to manage your cash flow with Chime. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.